To turn a selfie to a watercolor painting with Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra Portrait Studio feature, open Gallery app, and then open the desired portrait photo. To get the best result, make sure to choose portrait photo that has a clear face because this feature works best with well-lit, high-quality images of people. Next, tap the photo assist icon at the bottom of the screen, and then tap Portrait Studio button. Swipe the Style section to the left, and then tap Watercolor Thumbnail. Next, tap Generate button to let the AI to turn the selected portrait photo into a watercolor painting. As you can see here, you will be provided with some result. Swipe the result section to the left to see the other images. If needed, you can tap the down arrow icon or download icon to download the selected image and then save it to the download album on your gallery app. Or you can tap Save Copy button to save the selected image in the same album with the original photo. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.